Hello, how are you today?
Well, I'm not doing the greatest.
Well, I was thinking about inviting you to my birthday party. Would you like to come to my birthday party?
Well, gee, I don't know. I think, my dad's taking me to the circus.
To the circus? Well, that's exciting. But can't you come to my birthday party?
Well, I don't. No, excuse me. Sorry about that. I mean, I didn't mean to sneeze all over the place, but, I can't because I'm allergic to you.
Well, I really want you to come to my birthday party. Won't you come to my birthday party?
Well, I don't think I can. I gotta go shopping for a new pair of shoes.
But I really want you to come. Can't you please come?
I don't think so.
Yeah, you always have excuses. You know, you kind of remind me of like today's Bible story. Today's Bible story is about a king who invited guests to his son's wedding but couldn't come because they all had excuses.
Yeah, that kinda sounds like me. I mean, yeah, I still don't think I can come to your birthday party.
All right, but you're going to miss it, and it's going to be a great one.